And this is Simba. Welcome back to another episode of the Lions Den Digest. Now, before we get started, I'd just like to wish everyone a happy Easter, to yourself, to the family, and wishing everybody more blessings. Now, with that said, let's jump into the first story and highlight of the day. Now, Hyperliquid dominates on-chain perps with 70% market share. Hyperliquid has solidified its lead in on-chain perpetual futures, capturing nearly 70% market share, which is absolutely insane, right? And with this, they have 175 billion in March volume. Whew, my goodness, these guys are really blowing up and doing some crazy numbers. And 83 billion mid-April. This is outpacing competitors like Jupiter, which is an awesome product as well, and GMX. Now, the protocol is non-custodial, high leverage, which they offer up to 40x high leverage, and this is on-chain. This is a decentralized perpetual futures on chain, and they're offering all the way up to 40x leverage. And this is drawing a lot of traders away from centralized exchanges. And these exchanges are like Binance, Qcoin, and Coinbase and whatnot, right? This is signaling a shift towards decentralized derivatives like we have never seen, right? And the opportunity for this really is Hyperliquid's liquidity and leverage make it a go-to for traders seeking amplify returns in this volatile market. As you've seen, the last couple of weeks and months have been extremely volatile with the uncertainties of the market, the tariffs and whatnot, and people have been taking advantage of this, for opportunities on Hyperliquid, right? Maybe shorting the market and whatnot. But, there's always risk. High leverage increases liquidation risks, especially during market swings. Now, the things that people should be doing is use strict management, especially when using leverage, right? It does give you an amplified return on your trade, your investment, but it also gives you an amplified losses as well, which could be devastating. So this is something that should be taken very carefully. Now, the trend that we're seeing, the on-chain perps trend arise, so just growing trust in DeFi infrastructure over centralized exchanges, right? So they're taking a lot of market share from Binance, from Coinbase, and all these centralized exchanges, and this is the trend that we're seeing. Now, what people should be doing, people should be monitoring Hyperliquid's native hype token for potential price surges as adoption grows. We can see right now, the token is doing a phenomenal job, right? And I really love this project. I think they're doing a phenomenal job. The team is awesome. And I think they have a very bright future. Let's go Hyperliquid.